Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on shipping with Shopify step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings section found in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on Shipping and Delivery to access your shipping settings. Review your current shipping rates under Shipping Profiles. Evaluate whether your shipping rates are too high compared to competitors. Consider setting up free shipping for orders over a certain amount. This can encourage larger purchases from customers. Next, look into discounted shipping rates through Shopify Shipping. Shopify partners with various carriers to offer competitive rates. Choose a carrier that aligns with your business needs. Set up shipping zone configurations based on your target markets. You can create specific zones for local, national, and international shipping. Next, consider using third-party logistics services. These services can help manage inventory and reduce costs. Integrate apps from the Shopify App Store that focus on shipping savings. Look for apps that offer better rates or streamlined fulfillment. Regularly assess your shipping strategy to identify areas for improvement. Monitor shipping costs and customer feedback after implementing changes. Keep an eye on seasonal sales or promotions that might affect shipping rates. Finally, review your customer journey to ensure shipping options are clear and appealing. By following these steps, you can effectively save on shipping costs with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.